I became the child who disappeared. The child who once couldn't end the day without seeing you. And now, habang sinusulat ko to, there's only one question hunting me. Nasaan ako habang tumatanda kayo? The answer hurts so bad. Wala ako. Hindi lahat ng LSS masaya. Minsan, ito yung mga kwentong paulit-ulit na bumabalik sa ating isipan. Yung hindi mo pa rin kayang bitawan o kalimutan. May bagay ka bang hindi mo masabi? Isulat mo na yan. Basahin natin. This is Liham Santi Sessions. With me, John Santos. Habang abala tayo sa pagtupad ng ating mga pangarap, tahimik ding tumatanda ang ating mga magulang. Welcome back to Liham Santi Sessions. Kung napanood mo ang unang episode, alam mong dito, puso at damdamin ang bida. Ngayon, hawak ko na ang ating unang liham. Mula kay RJ. Ito ay isang paalala na sa gitna ng ating pagkayod, may mga taong tahimik na naghihintay. At patuloy na umaasa sa ating oras at pagmamahal. Tara, samahan mo akong basahin at damhin ang kanyang liham. Dear Ma at Pa, matagal ko nang gustong isulat to. Pero ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng tapang. Hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko sisimulan. Kasi sa dami ng gusto kong sabihin, mas marami yung naiwan sa dibdib ko. Hindi ko nasabi at hindi ko naipakita. Ma, Pa, every day I wake up just to work, to survive, to bring something home, to be able to say, I'm okay. To assure myself that I'm doing everything I can for us. Pero habang ginagawa ko to araw-araw, habang dumadaan ang mga buwan at taon, napansin ko na lang na may kapalit pala ang lahat. I'm trying so hard to build our future. I was slowly letting go of our present. Kasama kayo. And for that, I'm deeply, deeply sorry. Patawad, Ma. Patawad pa. Patawad kung mas pinili ko ang overtime kaysa sa family gathering. Patawad if mas madalas I cancel your calls dahil nasa meeting ako. When you only just wanted to ask kung kumain na ako or to share how happy your day was. Patawad kasi naging abala ako sa mundo ko. And being so busy with my own world, I forgot yours was still moving. Even without me in it. Ginusto ko lang naman kayong bigyan ng maginhawang buhay. But in chasing that dream, I forgot that you are my life. Work consumed me. I got so caught up with deadlines, targets, bills, and expectations. My day job drained me to the point I couldn't sleep. My mind racing with what ifs. What if I fail? What if I can't give enough? What if I disappoint you? In all this, I didn't realize tumatanda na pala kayo. Si Papa, yung dating haligi ng bahay, may pagod na sa mga mata. Si Mama, tahimik na lang sa aming video calls. Pero alam kong may gusto siyang sabihin. Maybe, miss ka na namin. Or maybe, uwi ka naman. And me, I became the child who disappeared. Not because I moved away, but because I chose to stay too busy. That if the medicine, groceries, and bills were taken care of, we were okay. Pero hindi ko naisip, you don't just need a provider. You need me. My presence, my stories at the dinner table, my arms around you after a day or after a bad day. The child who once couldn't end the day without seeing you. And now, habang sinusulat ko to, there's only one question hunting me. Nasaan ako habang tumatanda kayo? The answer hurts so bad. Wala ako. Ma, Pa, I'm sorry for all the moments I missed. For all the smiles I didn't see. For all the times I tried to make you proud, but ended up making you so lonely. But while you're still here, while there's still time, habang may chance pa ako bumawi, uuwi ako. Not just to rest, not just to visit, but to come back to you. Not as a provider, but as a child who never stopped loving you because you're my reason for everything. And nothing will ever be more important than you. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Ma, Pa, please never forget that. RJ. RJ, maraming salamat sa liham mo. Your words are more than just sentences on a page. They're pieces of your heart, carefully laid out for the world to see. They tell a story of a love so strong that even distance can't erase it. They carry the weight of sacrifice, the quiet tears no one sees, and the hope that somehow all this hard work will be worth it. But RJ, I want you to remember this. Providing for your parents is an act of love, yes. But being present with them, that's the heart of everything. Money can buy comfort, pero hindi nito kayang palitan ang yakap na matagal mo nang hindi nararamdaman. Ang tawanan na dati araw-araw mo naririnig. O ang simpleng kwentuhan sa hapag habang kumakain ng paborito ninyong pagkain. It's not about choosing between work and family. Don't get me wrong. It's about finding the balance. Because the best gift you can ever give them is not just security, but you, your presence, your voice, your laughter, and most importantly, your love. So RJ, work hard, yes, but love harder. Because the people we work for today are the same people we might miss tomorrow. And when that day comes, wala nang mas hihigit pa sa kapayapaan ng loob na masabi mong, naging anak ako. Hindi lang provider. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. May kwento ka rin ba na hanggang ngayon na hindi mo pa rin mabitawan? Isulat mo na yan at isend sa link na nasa description ng episode na to. Malay mo, yan ang susunod nating babasahin. Dahil lahat ng liham na may puso ay welcome dito. Gusto mo rin ba ng kasama sa healing journey mo? Be part of our LSS community. Follow Liham Senti Sessions on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Spotify para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong episodes. Muli, ako si John Santos at ito ang safe space mo. Liham Senti Sessions.